Hi, my name is Rob and I'm an actual user of Commission Hero. In this review I'll go over what the program is and tell you what you should expect from it, and then I'll explain how it's changed my life. What is Commission Hero? Commission Hero is an online training system that shows you one of the best ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing. For those of you who are new to affiliate marketing, it is where you sell other people's products, and if you refer people to buy, you earn 50 to 75% commission on the sale. The way you find products to sell it is through ClickBank, which is a marketplace that connects vendors of thousands of digital and physical products for affiliate marketers to sell for them. Personally, I think it is one of the best ways to build a profitable business online, since affiliate marketing is also one of the ways I use. I have been in the online business world for 14 years, and I have never seen a system that makes affiliate marketing this simple for anyone to learn. For affiliate marketing, I have always taught my students to use email lists as a way to generate profit. However, Commission Hero shows you exactly how to do it with no email list. This is awesome because students who are completely new to having an online business won't have to worry about growing an email list, writing emails, spam folders, or people unsubscribing from their list. It is 100% beginners friendly and is created by Robby, an ex-gym trainer who had absolutely no experience in affiliate marketing, just like you. How does Commission Hero work? When you enroll in Commission Hero, you get complete access to the entire training system that shows the entire blueprint that Robby used to turn from a nobody to now the #1 ClickBank affiliate using a simple 3-step system. And what makes Commission Hero different from other affiliate marketing strategies, is that it is so much faster and easier for people to do, even if they have no previous experience. It cuts out all the guesswork and issues that you would have otherwise with affiliate marketing. There is no email list, no inventory, no website, no huge budget, no employees, no owned products, no talking to customers. People hate not knowing something, so an open loop creates curiosity and makes them want to find out more, so they click on the ad and get taken to a landing page. The big focus of Commission Hero is to not sell through your ads. Remember, your ad isn't doing the selling, your landing page is. You just need to get the click, and you do that by getting potential customers interested in your offering through your open loop. Robby also shares with you his top secret strategy of making your landing page a simple quiz that people can take to continue the curiosity, and get them into the offer. I even tried this for myself, and it's crazy how effective it is. And Commission Hero even provides you with done-for-you landing pages that you can use. But this is only just the basic level of everything you will learn from Commission Hero. You will deep dive into the simple 3 steps I briefly explained above and get everything you could possibly need to potentially succeed. Now, in the past year I've spent over $10,000 buying programs trying to learn this online business game, as I feel it's going to be the wave of the future. Now, that being said, I've learned different ways to make money, but by far the best is affiliate marketing. I found Robby's Commission Hero and bought the training. His program is far superior than any that I've seen, as it teaches as like a beginner marketer, right from scratch using Facebook ads. The support is awesome, as Robby himself answers questions in the Facebook group. He has lots of coaches that help every week. 2 live question and answer periods every week with 2 coaches. Robby's program has done for campaigns to help you get started, that you just need to personalize, which helps you understand how to put it all together. In the Facebook group has tons of added bonuses to help you succeed, as Robby and one of his top coaches do a 6-week to success, which takes a ClickBank product and shows you step by step how to advertise it on Facebook. They teach you how to analyze that data and how to scale your ad to make more profit. Now, the truth part, this is a business, so yes, there are costs to it, but if you follow Robby's and the coach's instructions, you will do fine. Costs are having money for a ClickFunnels account and also money to advertise with. See, the best is once you have a winning ad that is creating sales, you can scale up to make more money faster. Now, if are on the fence but interested in making money online legitimately, it's not a get-rich scheme, but it can make you a lot of money, as we have 2 gentlemen that have been in this course for 6 months and just did $892,000 in sales with $500,000 in profit, and many more success stories. I will put up a screenshot of my sales that I do per day, which is between $500 to $900 sales a day, with profits averaging $400 to $600 a day. This is my review. I totally recommend this course, and if you want more information, I'll have a link below. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.